Hello everyone, this is going to be an unboxing of the Bose noise cancelling headphones 700. Just got them on eBay for $300. Normally retail for $400. So here they are. Here's a look at the box. Has Bose AR. It was an open box item. Here's the back. Talks about the headphones premium sound, Bose AR enabled. So let's go ahead and open it up. So we open it up and you get to see the carrying case. There's the carrying case, and we have a manual, instruction manual. And then here's the case. Inside the case we have the headphones right here. They look pretty nice. They're adjustable. I got the black color. They also come in silver and I think some other color called Eclipse. There's a power Bluetooth button there. Has touch controls. And then in here we have the cables. Charging cable has USB-C now. And then a headphone cord, so you can listen to wired audio sources. So let me compare. That's the Bose 700 case. And here's the Bose QC35-2 case. You can see it's a little bit bigger. The 700 case is just ever so slightly bigger. It looks like it's mostly wider, a little bit taller. And you can see the ports we have on the left ear cup. We have the audio port on the right ear cup's the USB-C connector. And I believe the touchpad is on the right side, the right ear cup. And here are the headphones they're trying to connect to the phone. You can see using the Bose Music app. So I guess that's going to be pretty much it for this unboxing video, the Bose 700 noise cancelling headphones. Thanks for watching everyone, and be sure to check me out on social media at Mr. Artie Penguin on Twitter and at JTSP on Instagram. Thanks for watching everyone.